we go. Use it already. Tiny weeny little redfin. Right, yeah, let's do a full 360 at Lake William Hovell. You just go just like that. Great cast, Ollie. There we go. Hey Holly, look. No. You can see it from there. Go on. Who wants to sit in the car? Holly just, oh look Holly. Another one. Holly just asked if we could stay here till really late, now she wants to sit in the car. Little straw tiger nip's doing the job. Look at another one, Ollie. He's got him way out deep. I told you this was the spot to go, didn't I? I'm out deeper than you because I'm taller. There we go, look. Oh, he got off as well. So do I, darling. Got one. Of course you can. Look how small he is. Oh, he got off. Well, you come over here and carry it there where I've been catching the fish if you like, and I'll go over that way. Got one. He's only little. got him. Way out there. Hello, little fishy. See you, buddy. Lovely colours on him. Take that, March fly. Another one. A little bubblegum coloured striped tiger nymph. Just cleaning up. Rightio everybody, thanks for watching. We've had a wonderful time up here. The kids have had a swim, I've had a swim, we've all had a fish. I've caught a few redfin, it's just been fantastic. Lake William Hovell really is a wonderful place. But let me just give you one warning. Make sure you bring plenty of air-guard because the march flies up here are, what do you say? Oh, what are the march flies like up here? Bad. Bad. The march flies are bad, really bad.